This building was built in 1972, so it has original windows and siding.
There's leaks, there are holes in the walls, the bathrooms are failing.
With the new building, you're going to have the whole building envelope will be replaced. We're going to have new siding, we're going to have more energy efficient windows that are also intended to help with daylight and sun glare. We're going to have new lighting, have occupancy sensors, it'll have auto dimming that is impacted by the amount of daylight to ensure that students have the right amount of lighting when they're learning. You'll have new HVAC systems and new plumbing systems, all making it more of an efficient building energy-wise, but more importantly, easier to operate and maintain in the long term, and also save money with those efficiencies and in the operation of it.
Because this will serve our community for years to come, and that is what the bond projects are for, is for those long-term investments in our community.